Hello all, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to see the drop NA function. Whenever we have the null values and we want to drop that null values, at that time we use the drop NA function. So first line, we just imported all the functions from the PySpark. We also imported all the types, and whenever we want to perform window function, so at that time we need to import window also. So this is the syntax, standard syntax from pyspark.sql.function import all the functions. Then from pyspark.sql.types import all. From pyspark.sql.window import window. Right. First we are going to create a data frame. So in data frame means it's like a table in the SQL. So first in PySpark we are giving the data, what exactly data we have, and then we are specify the our column header, column name, right, or header name. So this is the data, this is the first row, this is the second row, this is the third row, and this is the fourth row. N means none, means basically it's act as a NA, not applicable, right? Now we just created the data frame by using the data frame function, and here we pass the data variable, and this is our column header. So column header must be providing the square bracket, also data must be in the square bracket. Now let's see the how it will show the data, like df.show. So now I just see, so now if you see, we have the three columns. First one is the id, name, salary, and we have the four records. So if you see, so first record we have the null in the salary, and in the second record we have the null in the name. So let's see, if I want to delete the all the null records from this table, like this whole row, this and this. So let's see how we can do. So we just want to delete the whole null from the whole table. So what we can do, I just go to the next cell, and just it's simple, syntax is very easy, df. So our data frame name is df and drop na, that's it. And we just want to see, just apply the function, and just we want to see the result, final result. So we just want to delete all the na from the our data frame, and we just want only row where we don't have the null. So third is the row where we don't have any null, so that's why it's showing the third row only. Now let's see what we want to do. We want to delete only the row where all the three columns have the null values. If you see the fourth row where all the three columns have the null values, so we want to delete that row only. So how we can do that? So we need to, let me go to the next cell and just df drop na, sorry, drop na, and we need to give the condition parameter. How? This is the parameter, and here we need to mention all. Let's see, all, let's see, all, drop na, all, and now dot show. If you see, it deleted the whole total row. Now this is our original data frame, and in this last row have the all the four, like column as a third column as a null. Now what we want to do, we just want to delete the null from only specific column. Suppose now I just want to delete the null from this name column. So in this name we have the two null, if you see, second row and fourth row. So for that, again I will go to the next column, and df dot drop na, and here we need to give the again the parameter, that is subset. So what is our subset name? So that is name, right? And dot show. Now if you see, it delete the, now it will delete row where in from the null name column. In the name column, if you see, second row and fourth row we have the na. So that's why it written John and Smith, John and Smith. Now let's see what I will do. Rather than creating a separate cell, I just copy this one, then you get the idea like how it will work. Drop na, for the whole table. Then total all the column, if we have the null, then we want to delete that specific record. And I also copy the subset where like we just want to delete the row from specific column have the na value. And last one is the okay, so drop na, let delete the cell and let's see the final result. There will be not confusion. I delete the cell each by one, delete the this cell, how all cell, and this one also. So now if I run the whole code with like all the possible categories for the drop na, if you see, firstly we deleted the drop na from the whole table, right? So this is the first result. Then we deleted from the like where we have the all the column have the null rows, that is it giving the 1 to 3. And at the last we are just deleted the na from the name column. So that's all about the drop na. So if you have any question, any doubt, please write down in comment and please subscribe the channel. Thank you.